Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best rain gauge in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Stratus Precision Rain Gauge with Mounting Bracket, 14 All-Weather. Quality. The last rain gauge you'll ever need to buy. Precise. Accurate to 1/100th of an inch and easy to read. Built to U.S. Weather Bureau standards. ESE2 Install. Install the rain gauge on a post with its exclusive Quick Connect bracket, which lets you quickly remove the cylinder for easy measurement or cleaning. Rugged. Constructed of heavy-duty, UV-resistant polycarbonate. No metal parts to rust. This high-quality rain gauge will stand up to years of rough weather and full sun without fading or corroding. Heat and frost resistant. Versatile. The first inch of rain funnels through the 4-diameter top into a specially calibrated measuring tube. Even a light shower registers clearly in increments of 1/100ths of an inch. Additional rainfall up to a total of 11 is contained in the outer cylinder until measured separately in the calibrated tube. Number 2. Crosse 704-1531 R&T Large Magnifying Easy Read 5-inch Capacity Acrylic Rain Gauge in Burgundy, Red. Don't rely on published rainfall reports measured miles from your home or garden. Accurately monitor your backyard rainfall with Crosse's large plastic rain gauge. This attractive weather-resistant 12-inch plastic gauge measures up to 5 inches of rain. Magnifying acrylic makes its high-contrast white letters and markings on dark background easy to read, even from a distance. Designed to be mounted in a variety of locations including fence posts, deck railing, or ground. Airport showers don't help backyard flowers. Crosse rain gauges, rainfall measured where it matters most. Number 1. Accurite Wireless Digital Rain Gauge with Self-Emptying Collector with Rainfall History, Alerts, and Current Date and Time. 00899, Multicolor. Wireless rain gauge measures rain precipitation in inches or millimeters with rainfall history. Programmable rain alarm. Customizable alerts for rain rate or flood watch to help indicate if present conditions can lead to flooding, especially in lawns and gardens. Self-emptying rain collector. The wireless rain collector is self-emptying and easy to install with little maintenance. Strong wireless signal penetration. Rain gauge transmits outdoor rain totals every 60 seconds to indoor display. Digital display console. Easy to read digits from across any room and features current date and time. Company based in Lake Geneva, USA, since 1943.